Hi guys, I'm super excited. Monday night I placed a pretty big order with Happy Crafters. They're having a 15% off sale through next week and I wanted to take advantage of it, so I kind of went a little crazy. I haven't really bought anything since before the holidays, so it's kind of time to stock up again. But I ordered vinyl, heat transfer vinyl and adhesive vinyl, but then I also ordered their craft pallet box, and so that came separate. Because I spent more than $125, I got upgraded to UPS second day air, and so I ordered Monday night, and these both came today, UPS and the post office. And so I've kind of cracked the seal and peeked already so that I was telling you the right thing, but let's take a look and see what's inside. So first we're going to do the craft pallet box, and when you open this up, it's such a neat presentation, and you get a little letter kind of telling you what's in there and a coupon code to order again, which is really nice. And then they give you a little can cooler, kind of a rosy gold color, and a t-shirt. And this is a Jersey's Tri-Blend. I've never tried this brand, but this feels really soft. And I got an email from them today saying that they're going to start carrying some apparel on their website too. I'm guessing that this might be one of them, but this is a really nice soft shirt. It looks really, it's probably going to fit my daughter really well, so I'll have to make her something with this. But that came in it, and it's that dark gray heather, which is always soft. I love Tri-Blends. This one's pretty cool. And then I got a 12 by 20 sheet of the rose gold glitter. I've been a rose gold fan since the beginning of time. I'm really excited that it's taken off and it's a lot easier to find. And then 2 sheets of gunmetal and 2 sheets of the pearlescent, and these are 12-inch by 15-inch sheets of heat transfer vinyl. 2 sheets of the Arctic green, which is really pretty, and then 4 sheets of the rose gold, which is gorgeous. So that's the craft pallet box. It's $40. Because I had the coupon, it was $34, which I think is a really good deal for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11 sheets of heat transfer vinyl, a t-shirt, and a can cooler. And when I placed my order, they sent me an email with some cut files. I think there was maybe 5 or 6 cut files in there, so that you have some files that you can use to get going on your shirt and your can cooler. So that's really cool. This was it's definitely worth 40 bucks. If you just want a couple of variety of colors there and some stuff to work with, this is great if you're new to heat transfer vinyl, but great idea. And then I got a box of adhesive vinyl and heat transfer vinyl. And I got my packing slip. It came with a nice little letter. They give you their email and their phone number if you have questions, things like that. And then directions for all the different types of heat transfer vinyl that you order. So these are going to go right in my binder that I keep all my stuff in by my press, so I'll always remember. But it looks like their instructions are pretty on par with other brands, so that makes it really easy. And you can iron them or heat press them. So first let's do the adhesive vinyl. And I got the opals, and these are permanent, unlike the Cricut brand where they're removable vinyls. These are permanent vinyls. But look at this opal. Isn't that just gorgeous? I can't wait to use that on something. So that's the opal. I got 4 sheets of that one. And then the blue, this is the opal blue. I got 3 sheets of that. Hopefully this comes across in the video. And then 3 sheets of the pink, the opal pink. But it is just absolutely gorgeous. I think maybe one of the Zentangles done in this would be really neat. Very pretty. It'll be pretty on a wine glass. And then we'll get into the heat transfer vinyl. So I got their Craft Perfect heat transfer vinyl, which is kind of their version of like a stretch. You can use it on spandex, you can use it on leather, you can use it on cotton and polyester. I think it said no nylon, but that's normal. So I got several sheets of the rose gold, of course. Can never have enough of that. And black and coral, pretty. Silver, pink champagne, neon purple, mint, and little blue box, which is absolutely gorgeous. And then I have some of the metallics, and those were all 12 by 15. These are 12 by 15. The fresh violet, steel curtain has a really neat look for it. That's really cool. Hot pink, blue, ballet slipper. It's got a really neat metallic-y look to it. The Arctic green, which I got 2 sheets in that box over there, but I got another one. Gunmetal, which is a really pretty, really dark gray. It's darker than a charcoal. Pearl, and again, there's a couple pearls in the craft palette box, but I got another sheet of that. And of course, several sheets of the rose gold metallic. And then I got 3 sheets of the holographic chrome. I like to use this in the faux rhinestones. If you cut it with the rhinestone templates and it looks like rhinestones, like I did a mermaid tail pillow like that. And then our glitter. This is the pink confetti. And you see the dimension and depth in that. It's not just a regular pink. It's got all different kinds of colors with pink as the focus. And then this is the tutu pink, and it kind of looks a little transparent. I bet it would look totally different on white than it would on black. So I'll get to play with that. Surfer blue. I think this is pumpernickel, maybe. It's kind of a coppery, orangey color. This would be perfect at Halloween and fall. Orange. Disco silver, neon coral, mint. Love that. That would look really good on that gray shirt that they sent in the other box. Periwinkle, and of course rose gold. And then I got a sheet of this shimmer, a 12 by 20 sheet of shimmer, and this again is going to look different depending on what you put it on. This is rosy cheeks. Really pretty. So all of that with the coupon, so they have a discount. So like if you order 10 or more of something, like 10 or more of the Craft Perfect, you can mix and match colors, you get a discount. And I think if you order 25 or more, you get a discount. But the more you order, the more you save. And so all of this and the Happy Crafter box, 2-day shipping for less than $150. And this is a lot of product. I'm really excited about this. Like I said, they're having a sale right now. I'll post a coupon code for that. And I'm really excited to play. Thank you guys, and let me know if you have any questions.